Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install TikTok on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply heading into our Play Store and then heading into search. Note that without Google account logged in, you won't be able to do that, so I would strongly advise you to add a Google account onto your device. If you are struggling with that, we have a tutorial on how to add a Google account onto your OnePlus Nord 5. Anyway, inside Play Store you want to head into search bar and simply start typing in TikTok. As you can see, it already appears. And now, generally speaking, you want to avoid whatever is inside the sponsored tab, since as you can see this is not even anything related to TikTok. It's some sort of, okay, this is a TikTok, but this is basically a copy of a TikTok, which for some reason is Peggy 18, which is usually never a good sign. Instead, you want to head directly to the TikTok. You want to make sure that it's a TikTok PTE, since as you can see this is the most famous developer, and you can probably guess that it has 1 billion downloads, which is quite a lot. So now we want to hit install, and as you can see, after a moment we should be able to open our TikTok, log in into our account, and fall into an endless pit of doom scrolling, just like we used to. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.